I think your fantastic printers are really suited to industry, and I think within that, then the large build volume of the machines then typically suits aerospace, automotive applications, but I think also manufacturing, general manufacturing, tools, jigs and fixtures, aids within manufacturing, but also the IDEX offers small batch manufacturing as well. So certainly for industry, but also for education as well. I think the cost isn't prohibitive for education, and to get an industrial machine within an education establishment really helps the next generation come through. So yeah, I'd mainly recommend it to industry and education.